Hi there, my name is Stephen Orr, or better known as Big Beat on Wall Street. And for 2 decades, I have wanted to do one thing, to be the Amazon of the fintech world. Why is that? Because in the fintech world, it's very fragmented, meaning one company has charting, or one company has news, or little pieces of the platform. What if I could put it all in one place, in a marketplace, and add AI to it? So we did that, and I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly what we have built. Inside of here, you will see that we have the platform, we have AI, we have a partner page, investment side of it. But I'm going to show you the platform first. It's single sign-on, and it'll come right to a free page. Now you'll see that my layout is actually $14.99 a month, and you can see we have everything in it, from charting into heat maps, stocks, quotes, news, weather, TV, infographics, stories, seasonality charts, everything you could possibly want into one platform. And it's easy to move around. You can edit layouts, and I'm going to show you behind the scene a little bit in our testing page. So you can see here in our login that you will be able to also have a full-blown layout, including a mobile version, including the way that you want to see the system, including edit layout, literally that fast to add in a new screen. And we have over 50 new screens already in the system as we speak. You can see all of TradingView already in there, over 25 just different ones there. And we also have AI as well. And I want to show you the AI side. So inside of the AI, we have both the retail and institutional. You'll see here on the retail side, I'm actually able to ask questions of both Fred and Edgar, Fred being the economic side and Edgar being the SEC file. And you can ask questions of it, like what is the GDP of the United States? As you ask those questions, you can also go into the institutional side, whereas you can see all the questions that I have been asking, as well as my live feed. Look at that. You saw it right there where I asked the question, what's the GDP of the United States? There it is in real time. It'll also say what's the most asked questions. It'll show you trending keywords, as well as generative AI in the system. You'll also be able to pull from CloudQuant, which is over 15,000 databases. And you'll be able to pull from other databases like the White House, CIA, World Economic Forum, United Nations, and we have a partner page as well, whereas we are also a SaaS. So if you're a company that wants to add to the marketplace or not quite up to Web3 level, we can do that for you. We can build web apps, we can build AI for you, blockchain, DevOps, and just a walkthrough and tell us about your company. So join us on our excursion into the next world of the finance as we try to build out what we think is actually going to change the world.